Hi there, I'm Jules from thestonesoup.com and today I've got another fresh 6-ingredient dinner recipe for you. So for our everyone happy nachos, the first thing I've done is I've got 4 medium zucchini that I've just sliced up, and I've just got them roasting in a really hot oven, so 250C with a little bit of, which is 480F, so just a little bit of oil on top. And so what I'm going to do now is just shake them up a bit. I'm going to be sticking to that paper. Then what I'm going to do is just kind of form them into 2 piles. So one's going to have so I'm going to make one with just zucchini for me, and then for my Irishman I'm going to do a mixture of zucchini and corn or tortilla chips actually on his pile. So just spread them out, and you want the zucchini to be like mostly cooked, but they're going to be back in the oven, so they don't have to be completely tender. And then I've just got some tortilla chips I'm going to put on from the Irishman on his pile, his side of the bed. And then I've got 4 like smallish, these are pork and fennel sausages, so I've just sliced them up. I actually just left this sausage casing on. And if you wanted to use more corn chips, you could. So the idea is to just get the meat over the top. And you don't have to use sausages. You could use, if you've got Mexican chorizo, that would be lovely, or sliced chorizo. Or you could just use ground meat. And you could brown the meat first in a pan, but I like to just pop it on here like this, and then we'll get it in the oven for another 5 minutes. So when the sausage is cooked, so that's been in for another 5 minutes. Just get some cheese. So I'm not going to make these too crazy cheesy, because I'm going to serve it with sour cream as well, so I don't want too much richness. But this is about 50 grams, so 2 ounces of grated cheese. And then I'll just get them back in the oven for another 3 or 4 minutes to melt the cheese. So that was an extra 3 minutes for the cheese to melt. So when your cheese is melted and you're happy, I usually just tear the paper and then just scoop onto 2 plates, and then just top it with some herbs, like usually coriander, cilantro, or could use basil or parsley or mint, and then serve it with some sour cream or avocado if you prefer, or guacamole if you've got that, and then just some hot sauce for everyone to add themselves. So if you enjoyed this recipe, come on over to my blog. It's thestonesoup.com, and you can download a free ebook filled with simple recipes just like this one.